Bunny. That's not Bunny, is it? What was she called? What's the new name for her horse?
Yeah, Lori's going to get
For
second place.
Sherry's?
It
was Bunny, right?
That's first place. And right now I'd say she's second place.
Buckskin. He's on our way.
They hadn't called him to.
I can't wait for the raining to see how many people actually get hurt. I'm just kidding, not to be rude. What is my mom showing at?
She's over there in that corner.
I know, but like, I don't know what she's showing in.
19 and over Western Pleasure.
Huh?
19 and over Western Pleasure.
Oh, I mean like what, like barrels and stuff.
Oh.
Probably. Because he did good in barrels last time.
Tippy?
He ran at 18.7. He got second place.
I'm not in the pleasure class. Oh. Just keep moving unless they tell you to stop.
Somebody stop.
Being the fact that I'm riding a Western Pleasure horse and you're riding a reining horse and we're both going in the same class, the class is also called the reining. Like I said, my horse is a Western Pleasure horse going into a reining class. A reining horse going into a reining class. Oh, I'd beat you there. I'm talking about reining.
Take your time, don't get crowded.
Wrong lead there, lady. There you go.
Did the judge see her?
I don't know.
That lady on the end could be a contender.
Hang in there, Sherry.
Stay to the inside if you have to.
Yeah, they're going pretty good.
Yeah, because I can hear it from way. They're not even over there.
Watch yourself on the rail, okay? You have to get out of there. He's moving good.
What are you showing? You have a yearling up there. Yeah, we have a yearling up there.
Is that the one that was it's a pink?
Yeah, it's white on there.
Yeah. He's cute. Smile, 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 smile. Quit smiling.
Yeah, find out. Yeah. She put water on or something and it froze up here. Couldn't move it.
Hello?
The boy's missing it.
Whoa, my mom can't do that.
Sure she can. Oh, he's trying.
Only one stride though, that's good. I
Yes.
guess. And the judge didn't see
there.
it.
He looks better. He looks better.
Look at that.
He carries himself good.
You hello, Sherry. Yeah, he carries himself good, he does. How come Beyond's Hot does that with that guy?
He seems to like it.
Because that's the trainer.
Yeah.
No, but I don't like the way he just like looks like that with just the guy.
Well, that's the guy that rides him the most, and he's used to him the most.
True.
Yeah.
Smile. Smile.
Good job.
Sit back.
Smile,
Sit back.
everybody. Smile, Sherry. Sherry never smiles.
This arena's big enough. They get going.
Ooh, I saw him cheat. He was trotting while the judge wasn't looking. I'll show you the guy that was doing it. Just a second.
I like that baby.
Lighten the rain up a little bit.
That guy right there was trotting.
Oh yeah, your mom did good. She's using her corners good.
It's just clutter. Everybody's going opposite directions.
He's working the dog out of him, isn't he? Making him lope a long time.
Huh. At Golly, they only do like 2 rounds and they're done.
Well, he's giving him a chance to show. That's good.
Yeah, Godly has a really short show. They don't get to show their horses very well. Smile, Sherry. I got her to smile.
Yeah, I think that's her last class for the day.
That is a good horse.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah.
And next week we've got Johnson County.
Did you see her translate from a walk to
Yeah.
from a trot to a walk? It was just like nothing.
Lean back and relax just a little bit.
I don't get those horses cute. Its tail is like totally different colors. Mom, did you get her?
Yeah.
Once you get done, I want to see what you videotaped. I didn't even watch.
Real laid back.
There's that boy on Forest right behind me.
Is he?
Yeah, he's petting him. He doesn't even have a hold of Forest. Forest is just standing there asleep.
It's right there. I can see your extra tall hat.
Okay, Shay, come on, back up. There you go.
Her extra tall.
Shove on 2 hats.
Is that Leslie Tipple? Is it Leslie Tipple here?
I don't know.
With short blonde hair.
Maybe.
You show,
Yeah,
you
there's.
show it the world paint? Thought you did.
Yeah.
Really moves nice.
Thank you.
Have you looked at the raining pattern yet? Oh.
It's number 8.
I think it's gonna be hard. I can't memorize raining patterns. I can't, they're too long.
Cute.
Like I had 5 pounds of dirt in my eyes, my ears, my nose.
I was pressure washing all the cedar on the house. They wanted
Smile.
close to $8,000 to do
She's not
that.
smiling.
I'll go buy a pressure washer and do that myself.
Do they have to line up, don't they?
They have. They've already backed up. We're just waiting on places.
Okay. She got it videotaped. She got it recorded. She got it recorded. I don't think that little girl's lying. You're still recording? Is the battery almost dead? I bet you.
Probably.
But this is our last record because this is the last best one. I'll listen for you. Oh my gosh, he won again.
Third place, 14.6 on Zippo's perfection. Fourth place, 70 games on Ranger. Fifth place, number 33, Shay with courage.
She got 5th.
Sixth place, number 37, Candy Anderson. Bobby Jakes. Number 7.
Is that a Zippo pod boy, maybe? Because it said Zippo Sensation or something.
All right. Woo! Sherry.
She got last, but that's okay. At least she placed. No, she got first from last because someone else got last. I think.